Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of July 25, 2021. Before I start, I have a few more slots open this month to join our advanced education program. So if you would like to speak to someone in our team to learn more, please click the first link in the description below and fill out an application. Last week, with the increase of infection of COVID-19 and Delta variant virus, the market pulled back down in a couple of days and find support at the 50-day moving average, and they turned right back up. And with the help of good earning report from a lot of mega cap stock. So I will go to the indexes chart so that you can see and plan for the trade for the next week. So first of all, let's take a look at the E-mini SP 500. As you can see that after they pull back down, they found a support here, and the last 4 days they continue to put it up to the upside. We still have room to put it up to the upside, so let's see how far the market is heading to, and then we will inform you when the market hit to the major resistance, and then we will take action from there. So if you look at the Nasdaq, it also making the all-time high as well as SP 500 and continue to put it up to the upside. And the Dow, it also try to make it all-time high. They try to get up to the all-time high again. So let's see next week to be able to punch to this level and continue to the upside or not. But on the Russell 2000, a lot of small cap stock, they still have a problem to put it higher. They are still in the sideways correction here. As you can see, they stuck with the top and the bottom here. They keep ran by here. That's why a lot of small cap stock, they don't know where to go right now. Now, if you look at the crude oil, it also pulled back to the buy zone, and now they put it back up to the upside again. Gold, it also they run up too fast, they hit resistance, they pull back. So next week it will be able to turn around and put it up to this level here. The gold will continue to put it up to the upside, otherwise they will stay sideways choppy here before they can find a way to put it up again. If you look at the Bitcoin, seems like the bottom out and try to find a way to put it back up from here. And the Ethereum is also find support. They have been testing the buy zone here. If they can hold up here and push it back up, so the crypto try to find a way to put it up from this level here. If you look at the volatility index, you can see that the volatility is still low, so the people still stay calm, with no fear at all. So the market is still stay low. As long as they stay low, the market is still stabilized, less volatile, and then they still find a way to put it up. But if the big push back up, then we have to start worry. And look at the 10-year Treasury note. They bow back a couple of days last week, but they are still in a very downtrend here. So that's why they put a lot of pressure on the bank, because the bank when this one is low, the bank they have a low interest rate. So that's why the bank, a lot of banking stock is still in the correction until this one, by the way, to push it back up. Now, as you know, that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis, then you should not trade. That's why as Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management, so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live Discord community 24 hours a day so that you can follow along. That's the only way that you can manage your own financial future. Now let me go deeper to 11 sector of the SP 500. So some of the sector that you still they are still in the correction. So like material, they are still in the downtrend. They try to put it back, but overall trend is still bearish. The energy sector is also very bad here. So they are drop below here, the long-term support, and they have been going down pretty high. Hopefully they will find the support here before they can bounce back up. And another sector, the financial sector, they have been dropping down, so they come back up, but overall trend is still negative. If you look at a couple of sectors like technology, XLK, a couple of days shut out, and then the last 4 or 5 days they push it straight up. Okay, so that technology stock is still doing well. Consumer stable, it also shut out a little bit, and now they push it back up again. The real estate is still doing well to the upside there, and the biotech, the healthcare bio is still doing pretty strong here due to the Delta variant and COVID-19 there. And if you look at the XLY, which is another consumer discretionary, it's still strong and put it back up strong here. They're looking forward to break out at this level there. So the sector like utility, they put it back up there. Now they try to gain some momentum again. So a lot of stock in this sector, it also follow that one, but they hold up pretty good here. So it looks like they try to find a way to put it up again. So a couple of stocks in the this sector also stabilize and find a way up here. And let me give you another one. It also stuck up here, but they pull back down. And on Friday they find some support. Let's see if they're able to put it up to the upside. The XLP, which is a consumer stable, they try to turn around here. So a lot of stock here it also pull back, but they gain back the momentum, like Procter Gamble, okay, Coca-Cola, okay, Pepsi, you can see there, okay, they pull back, they run up again. Starbucks, SBUF, which is a Starbucks, also they rumble here last week and continue to put it to the upside there. Okay, so very strong stock there. And talk about the XLV, which is the bio and the healthcare sector is still doing pretty well, and a lot of stock in this sector is also doing extremely well, as you can see here, like mRNA, which is Moderna, that's a COVID vaccine. They're very strong. They continue to put it up to the upside, and then they continue to go up there. Okay, and you can see a couple of stocks like Amgen. They are stabilized here. Looks like they try to find a way to put it up again. And a couple of stocks here that we can see here, like MRK, this is Momo and company. This one here also pull back down, find a support, and try to find a way to break out again. Okay, and the retail sector is still doing pretty well, as you can see here. A lot of stock in this sector also rumble to upside, like Lululemon, NKE, Nike. Those stocks in the retail sector, they doing very well. Break out and continue to the upside there. And a couple of stocks on the bottom, fishing stock that I give you the last couple of weeks, they are still doing pretty well, like Roku. It's very strong stock. Okay, so last week they continue to rumble to the upside there, and like PYPL. Okay, so they are still doing pretty good here. Okay, so beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.